38-year-old Irishman Daniel Clavin is suffering from what is possibly one of the worst hangovers in history. He's been hiccuping non-stop after one night of heavy drinking, 2 years ago. The strange condition has completely disrupted his life. The poor guy has trouble eating, he's embarrassed to go out in public, and he sleeps alone every night. Daniel's hiccups began one morning in July 2011, after attending a stag party the night before. "I just woke up with them and I have no idea why they started," he said. "I'm not a big drinker and I'd had more than I'd for some time, but it was nothing out of the ordinary. Since then, I've tried just about everything, all the old wives' cures, but I can't stop." Living with hiccups is no easy task. They cause serious inconvenience to Daniel on a daily basis. "Some days are bad and I'll have difficulty eating and keeping my food down," he said. "Other times they lock up my diaphragm and I won't be able to breathe for 30 seconds. I spend most nights in a different room from Susan, his wife, so she is not disturbed, but that's not ideal and it puts a strain on things. I can be lying there for hours, hiccuping every 3 seconds." According to Susan, 39, the past 2 years have been a big struggle. "I try to block it out but I can't sleep with it, the sound and the constant twitching of the bed," she said. "Even when he's having a good week, it's hard having him back in the bed because I've got used to sleeping by myself. It is very tough on him and day to day he's not very happy, although he tries to remain positive. It's difficult for anyone to concentrate on anything else when he's around. We're desperate to find someone who can help him because the hiccups are ruining our lives." Despite the condition, Daniel has managed to keep his job as a software engineer. He travels to his office in Dublin twice a week, and spends the rest of his time at home in County Roscommon. "My work colleagues are very good and very tolerant and I do everything I can to keep the hiccups quiet," he said. "I find I can control them best and hold my breath if I'm not talking. So I try to keep quiet."